everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I have a confession. I am literally like a kid at Christmas. I can't wait to open my Christmas gifts, so we're going to do it now. Well, let me tell you guys a little secret. Last year, Veri Keri and I decided we would do a Christmas gift exchange. The problem was we waited an entire year to actually exchange the gifts. So the gifts that you see today are actually gifts that were collected over like a 2-year period. And so we're finally doing our 2017 Christmas gift exchange. I know it's awful, but both of us have careers and families, and it's been extremely busy. And so we finally met up like September and we exchanged gifts, and I just couldn't wait any longer to do my Christmas unboxing or gift exchange. So we're going to do that together today. So let's take some time to admire this amazing ribbon and gift wrap. Like, this is velvet. And I absolutely love this because this year I'm actually going to be using velvet in my Christmas decor. Right now I'm planning on doing a red velvet Christmas, so you guys stay tuned for that. But I just absolutely love this. It is so amazing, so glamorous. Oh, Hollywood, you guys know I love glitz and glam and all those amazing things. So without any further ado, we're gonna start tearing into the package. I did bring my fancy scissors to save the ribbon. And kids, if you're watching this at home, don't be going in and opening gifts and then telling your mom that Living Luxuriously for Less told you to do it, okay? Okay.
You gonna flip through that real quick?
Yeah. So the first one is these napkin rings by Nicole Miller. They are very glam, very girly, very old Hollywood, very me, Veri Keri. A very Merry Christmas. I'm just thinking of everything I can think of that's very, because you guys know how much I love napkin rings. These are absolutely gorgeous. Excuse me. These are so gorge. Oh my gosh, how glam and fabulous are those? Like, amazing. I love. Will you marry me? Merry Christmas. I love these. Love them, love them, love them, love them. Okay, so I cannot get that back all neat like they were. So here is the next package. And this package, like, this paper is so gorgeous. And you guys know I love black and gold. But Carrie has these wraps so... Oh my gosh, I love this. How thoughtful. I am actually going to take this with me on my trip to Paris. It's a little, like little miniature handbag deal. You guys see that? So it's like this little handbag deal, and it has a keychain. It's a keychain holder, and it has a little power charger. And I will need this on the plane. So I'm going to take this with me to Paris, and you just slide it in the side. I need to do like a what's in my bag haul after I come back from Paris, maybe. And then you can just like slide it, charge it through the little side. Is there a way to hook that in? This is so neat. And it's a charger. So cute, cute, cute. The next item. I know I love long boxes. Ooh, Shannon. Ooh, I love this. Love it. Love this. It's a full leg crystal 5-piece serving set, and I've been looking for this. See, some things are worth the wait. This was well worth the 1 year wait. And if you guys want to see, ooh, I don't want to tear my box. I don't want to tear this. This is so hard to find because I was looking for these on eBay and they were so expensive. Like, well, I'm not going to tell y'all that. Y'all will be trying to judge us. Anyway, these are hard to find. Amazing, gorgeous, glam. Look at that handle. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Next level. I so wanted that serving set because it's been, like, I've been searching for it everywhere. And like I said, I looked for it on eBay because it is no longer in production. So here is the big box. Oh gosh. Oh lordy. Oh goodness. Oh. That was a workout. All right, so I did bring my fancy scissors for y'all today. Should have got a box cutter. Workout, y'all. I told you it was a workout. Good gracious, this box is filled to the rim. Okay? To the rim. The rim. R-I-M, not R-E-A-L-M. You guys know I'm Southern. Oh yes, black velvet ribbon. Now a lot of this stuff is like, sometimes when she finds something amazing that she knows I love, and I'll find things that I know she'll love, I'll say, hey, pick me up some. So this is some of the things that she picked up for me, and we just included in the goodie box whenever we exchange Christmas gifts. So I definitely wanted some of that ribbon. And this, Carrie is like the best with making sure things stay wrapped and not broken. Some white silver cream. Yes, because I need it. Y'all know I need it. She's putting me a little kit together. I'm all about, ooh, oh my gosh. How amazing is this twine? It is so gorgeous. This is this natural vine. It's 5 yards of it. Be absolutely gorgeous in a wreath. This is why I needed to open my Christmas gifts early, because I need these things. I need these in my life. I need them now, not, you know, December the 25th. Here's more twine. Yay! Y'all, this stuff, when she showed me this, I was like, I gotta have it. And then, like, literally, my birthday is December 22nd. By the way, we're gonna, you know, I really want to reach 100K by my birthday. And let me tell you guys why. I always got, like, the short end of the stick because I was born 3 days before Christmas, and my mom, you know, was a single parent. And my siblings, you know, everybody else's birthday did not fall in December. And so I was one of 5 children. I was the second oldest and the oldest girl. And I just kind of got the short end of the stick. one of the things, like for my birthday, I always love red velvet cake because my mom didn't buy me a birthday cake. She was like, you can get a piece of the Christmas cake early, which was the red velvet cake. And I think I'm going to do like the whole red velvet theme for Christmas this year. And just kind of share that with you guys because she didn't, you know, she was a single parent of 5. She couldn't be buying like all this extra stuff and having a full birthday party for me 3 days before Christmas. So thus is, you know, why I have this whole theme going on, 100K by my birthday. So really excited about that. Ooh, likey. I really like this. Ooh, wait till y'all see it. A hot pink handbag. Look at how fabulous it is with the bling closure. Keri always has such great taste in handbags. Ooh, y'all. And then the inside of it is striped. Ooh, I need to do just like a what's in my handbag video just so I can showcase this handbag. Absolutely fabulous. I love this. Love it. Love it. Now I might, you know, have to give someone else with another pink purse. I just love the color pink, but I love this, so I'll have to give away one of my older pink purses. I think this is just stuffing. You never know. Yeah, that feels like stuffing. Oh, here's another big bag. Good gracious. I love this theme. I don't know if she did this intentionally or not, but you guys know I love black and white and pink. So, ooh, I need all of this. Like, I'm so glad I opened this up. Because this is going, by the time you guys watch this, I'll be in Paris. So, oui. I love these. These are pedicure sandals. I needed these the other day. I just got my pedicure and manicure for Paris. And also these luggage tags, so cute. And you guys know I do travel professionally for my job as well. Super cute. One says vacation mode, the other one says power trip, and the last one says excess baggage. Yeah, all of those apply. And then this one is 50 beautiful bows to make, a book. I think she got this one. She hauled it in one of her Dollar Tree videos, and I asked for this, so I'm excited about that. And these cute little makeup beauty blenders that look like little ornaments or light bulbs. Thought those were super cute. I definitely wanted those. Along with, what is this? A bracelet helper. Keri gives the most thoughtful, helpful gifts ever. Thank you so much, Keri, for all of the amazing gifts. I love them all. Like, you are one of the most thoughtful and considerate people that I know. I just absolutely love them all. And if you guys haven't already, please head over to her channel to check out the things that I purchased her over the course of 1.5 years, almost 2 years. And I mean, I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, early Christmas gift opening with me. It's been so much fun. And if you haven't already, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you, like, the best birthday present ever would be for me to reach 100K by my birthday. So hit that subscribe button and tell your friends about it. That would be the best birthday gift ever. 100K by my birthday. Thank you guys so much again for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.